Welcome to the Parak Rashtriya Sarvekshan 2024 online dashboard, brought to you by Parak NCERT under the guidance of Ministry of Education, Government of India. This powerful platform gives us access to nationwide data on schools, teachers, and students based on the National Achievement Survey, also known now as the Parak Rashtriya Sarvekshan, as outlined in the National Education Policy 2020. It is designed to be open, accessible, and easy to explore, whether you are an educator, policymaker, parent, or simply someone curious about the future of education. Let's take a guided tour together and see how we can navigate this dashboard to unlock meaningful insights. This is the home page, your starting point to view participation data across the country in Parak Rashtriya Sarvekshan 2024. By default, the national level data is being shown on this page, but you can click on a state or district to see their respective information. Right at the top, we can see key statistics: 74,229 schools, 2,70,424 teachers, and over 21 lakh students participated in this nationwide assessment. The participation data for schools, teachers, and students are further disaggregated on the basis of grades 3, 6, and 9. The student participation data is further grouped by gender, by location, by school management type, and by social disaggregation. To see the national level dashboard, simply click on the View Dashboard option that you see right below the area. To view a state level dashboard, select the state from the area list on the left and then click on the View Dashboard option. To view a district level dashboard, you can either navigate to the districts by clicking the View District option below the selected state, or select the state on the map by clicking on it, and the district list will appear on the left side and the district map on the right side. Simply click on the View Dashboard option below the district for which you would like to view the dashboard. Alternatively, you can also hover over the district map, select the district by clicking on it, and then click a second time to open the dashboard for the selected district. Once a district is selected, its name appears right at the top. Just like the national view, we start with our KPIs at the top. Schools, teachers, and students' participation data, all broken down by grades 3, 6, and 9. Below, we step into the Learning Achievements dashboard. This section has 4 dashboards: Foundational Stage, Preparatory Stage, Middle Stage, and Contextual Variables. We are currently viewing data for the Foundational Stage dashboard, which has 2 pages: Competencies and Average Performance. By default, it opens on the page for competencies. In this section, we can explore all the competencies which have been grouped and arranged by subjects. For every subject, we have 2 charts. One showing a performance comparison across all the competencies, and the other comparing a specific competency between the selected district, its parent state, and the national data. For example, here we see that 47% of students in district demonstrated the ability to comprehend short stories compared to 60% for state and 60% across the country. Want to explore performances by different competencies? You can use the Select Competency drop-down to choose a particular competency and compare it across 3 levels: district, state, and national. And here's a quick tip. Hover over any bar in the graph to read the complete competency description, like this one. Reads short stories and comprehends their meaning. Similarly, you can click on the Average Performance tab to see the performance of students which have been grouped on the basis of subjects. For every subject, you will see a comparison chart showing overall performance of the district along with its parent state and the country level data. In the second row, you will see the students' performance data disaggregated by gender, by location, by school management type, and by social groups. You can follow the same steps to navigate across the dashboards for preparatory and middle stage. The Key Insights section helps us quickly identify areas where a district needs support based on performance data. Here we are viewing Grade 3 insights for the selected district. 5 key focus areas have been highlighted, each addressing specific gaps in student learning. Let's click on one of them. Enhance student learning outcome through innovative teaching strategies. This expands to show the specific competencies where students have underperformed. For example, only 47% of students were able to read and comprehend short stories independently. You will also find similar insights under subjects like mathematics with clearly defined skill gaps. These insights are generated automatically from student performance data and are available for all grades, grades 3, 6, and 9. Once we know what needs improvement, the next step is how to address it. That's where the suggested intervention section comes in. This view builds directly on the Key Insights section. It presents the same 5 focus areas, but now each one is paired with targeted research-backed solutions. Let's click on the first insight again. Enhance student learning outcomes through innovative teaching strategies. This expands to show the underperforming competencies along with specific intervention suggestions. For instance, to help students better comprehend stories, the suggested strategy is multi-sensory learning approaches using storytelling, picture word association, and tactile activities. Each intervention is clearly mapped to its related competency, making it easier for educators to take focused action. You can click Read More to view detailed guidance on how to implement the strategy in real classrooms. This approach helps ensure every district gets not just a diagnosis but a direction forward. In case you would like to download a copy of the report with suggested interventions, then simply click on the icon for download and select whether you want the report in a PDF or an Excel format. The system will automatically generate the report and download a copy for you in your system. And that brings us to the end of our walkthrough of the Parak Rashtriya Sarvekshan 2024 online dashboard. From national participation to learning competencies, from contextual variables to targeted interventions, this platform empowers us to understand, reflect, and take action. Thank you for joining us on this journey.